Hi there, Vikings, and welcome to this Monday AM session, live trading. I'm a Viking. I'm Viking trading, and I trade ICT concepts, and I utilize the silver bullet between 9:50 and 11 a.m. New York time. So, if you watched my pre-week analysis from yesterday, you know that I was pointing out the last week CE levels, the midpoint of the wicks of the last weekly candle. And today we open up with a huge gap down under the CE level actually. And we have now after that pushed higher. So we could consider that a reaction from the CE level. I was talking about we might go down to the sea level and then push up for a long setup for the weekly range, an expansion of the weekly range upwards. So this might be what is happening right now. At ES we can see the same thing, but we didn't open above the sea level. We traded down, and then now we are going up again. So we'll see at 9:30 open how everything looks, but on the weekly level everything is in line for bullish price actions, and my next target for the weekly range is the upper CE level at 23,035.5 on NQ and 6,317.75 on ES. Let's check out the daily time frame. Some boxes we need to take away. Okay, so we have a volume imbalance here on daily, which we have traded above now. So we are working this week, the Friday week. So right now, are we above the sea level? Yes, we are. So this is still in play, the weekly wick CE. And after that, of course, all-time highs level here, and the last week high is in play. Nothing talks about lower prices right now. We have CPI tomorrow, so today I don't know if we get any trade. It depends on the price action. I am adaptable for what the price is giving us. I will not push it if there isn't anything. All right. We have our demo account that we are trading. Let's connect it. And that's one of the count. This is ours. We are up 17.5% for since when is it? Since we started at in the beginning of June. So a month, 17% is quite good, right? We keep going down 1 hour time frame. We have made equal lows here, and we also made a 1 hour fair value gap. Which we have dipped into right now, and that's with the CE level on the weekly. So from that level, it's probably a good chance to push higher, which we are doing right now, and we are filling this void here. So the weekly gap on the 50 minutes time frame. I made this arrow. This was my prediction from London. A push down to fill this gap, and then a higher push. So we didn't get this deep of a retracement, but the premise is right. So we have now coming up for the Friday close. Let's see if we can close this candle above this level, or if we retrace from it. if we get some kind of retracement and 2022 model on the 50 minutes or higher, we might go for these lows first, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see the range. The range is already 128 points. Okay. Check out the RTH. I was also talking about the dollar yesterday, and we were quite bullish on dollar because we're going from this 6-month bullish order block. Right, so a quite extensive move up here, and we're 2 minutes from opening right now. Check out the 1 minute candle. We have worked this daily void, as you can see. Worked all the levels. Really nice push from the bottom here. $8.30 was here. Fifteen seconds. Here we have it. Continue push higher. So almost no RTH gap here. Oh, it's quite violent here. After this kind of push at the opening, you never know. It could be a retracement soon. I have 20 minutes for my trading time, so no rush here. Just watching price and see what it will give us. Close at the first 1 minute. We are trying to hit the weekly first presented fair value gap, which we take from the 931 candle, or the first presented fair value gap that appears after that. Pushing up. Take about away this ICT kill zone indicator. Really nice push here. Actually, it's no trade really here for. It's hard to get into this kind of move, I think. But we are pushing up above this void, so this might be a bullish move. We'll see. disclaimer here. Okay. Working the 9:30 open price. The weak CE is always nice to practice on, to see the reaction from them. If there weren't an algorithm, this wouldn't be salient to the price, but obviously it always is. So no first percent of fair value gap yet. "30-second choice, 30 seconds chart, trendline liquidity will be taken." There you go. Discount fair value gap. This could be a trade ID. Oh, the entry was just above this this candle as an institution order flow entry drill for lower prices. Wick CE, second entry here. On the 1 minute this is wicks, so it looks more bullish on the 1 minute than do on the 30 seconds. So no trade for me here. It's not my time to trade either. I just marked out a suggestion. But this is just liquidity grabbing, or the trendline liquidity probably. Inversion fair value gap here. So we've taken some liquidity, right? Filled on a demo trade. Working this 9:30 open. And we will be taken out here. No problem. Just working the levels, warming up until our trading time 9:50. It's quite hard to read here right now, actually. Taking out this low. Ten minutes for my trading time. We have filled this gap right now, so let's see how price is willing to work. Trendline liquidity on 15 minutes here and equal lows. Hard to tell what the price will do right now. Huge. We do like this. I'll be back at 9:50, 9 minutes, and we see if we can find some trades then. All right. Let's see. We are now working the weekly CE level and the 15 minutes, no 1 hour fair value gap. Right now it looks like we're going for the equal lows. We're taking out this trendline liquidity. Boom. So we now have a confirmed bearish order block on the 50 minutes here. Sorry. Equal lows here taken. Four minutes for my trading hour. We're working this bearish order block here. We'll see how we react at the midpoint MT level. So we got a close below the midpoint of the hourly fair value gap on the 50-minute chart. ES is pushing higher above the 50% level of the bearish order block. Usually if you trade order blocks for downside here, I like to have my stop loss below a wick but on the upside of the order block, or if I'm aggressive I take it just above the midpoint of the order block, and in this case we would be taken out because we are moving up. So this might not be the bearish order block that we first believed. We're now pushing for higher prices and we have divergences on the lows. So our bullish narrative is still standing. You can still trade up and down, that's okay, but we have a narrative. Okay, so the target is equal lows with the weekly wick CE here. Equal highs. Yeah, now we don't have any bearish order block anymore, and NQ will be the sixth sister, which will catch up. Preparing long trade. Okay, it's trading time and we will see what we can find. I will go with the ES for longs. Alright. Yeah, we might miss that one. Would like to have it like this. The midpoint of the 5-minute bullish order block and entry on the opening. Okay, I have a buy limit here. Let's see. This is my trade, ES trade long. Don't follow my trade, it's just demo, and I Just guessing what the price will do, okay? But I'm in long now with the stop loss at the midpoint of this bullish order block. I have a risk reward of 2.25. The risk of 0.5%. 1% here on this might be 1%, right? Oops. 1.84%. You shouldn't trade more than 1%. Okay, I will set my alerts, and I will go with the disclaimer. Don't follow my trades. Let's put this one in right. And I utilize the set and forget approach. So at least as soon as I feel a little bit regret or something that I want to move my stop loss or something, I have to close the laptop and get out of here. So I might leave you with this trade, but for now I'm sticking, but I will not move anything. It's a set and forget approach. This is a long trade for on a bullish order block on 5-minute chart. On the 1 minute, it's an entry inside of a fair value gap, which is silver bullet, and on the level of the 9:30 open price with divergence, and we took the indices that were most bullish. And we have equal highs above, but we'll see. Right now we are dumping. Taking out the previous 5-minute wick low. I will now leave you with this trade, and I will get back to you when I reach my target or the price meet the stop loss. And unfortunately we are stopped out. No worries, it's a game of probabilities, right? So one down. I think I wait now for tomorrow CPI, and if we can get a clear bias on CPI for the rest of the week. So I think I'm logging out now, and see you tomorrow AM session.